Okay, as you can see, I've already got my Steinway piano track loaded. One of the things I talked about was looking at the way they've set up effects in EQ, and if you'll notice down the track I have my channel EQ. Apple has set this up, so if you just double click it, you can actually see how they've set up the EQ to make this piano sound better. Now, the other thing you can start doing is making a collection of these EQs. If you just go Shift Command 4, you'll get this nice little icon here, and if you click and drag and highlight this, you can actually create a picture of it. So now I've clicked and dragged and highlighted, I've encapsulated the EQ settings. Let go of it and you hear a snap, and there's my screenshot of the EQ, and you can actually print these out as PDF files. So it's a great way to capture that. So that's one thing you might want to think about. I'm going to get my media window by going up here to media. In this case, I'm going to select loops by genres, and I think we went to what, all rock and blues. That's right, I got to remember what I did here. And then all drums, and you can see we have over 1,000 drum grooves to choose drums. So my 60 shuffles, I'll play that back. Can't hear it, don't have any speakers hooked up to this. But this is pretty close. It's a tempo at 125. Our tempo is 120. I'm going to talk in the next lecture about changing tempo. There's my tempo marking. So all I have to do is just drag this over close to my Steinway track, drag it below it, and it will create its own track. And you want to import tempo information? In this case, no. If you clicked yes, it would change your tempo. Let's click yes. It'll change your tempo to 125 to match the drum loop. Now to extend this drum loop, if I hold down the Option key on my keyboard, click on it once so it's highlighted, and then just drag it over into slots. I'm still holding down the Option key. I can make my loop larger, or take up more measures, and it plays pretty flawlessly because the designs work together. So hopefully that helped.